Okay. See question number 3. The area of the plane region bounded by the curves x plus 2y square is equal to 0 and x plus 3y square is equal to 1 is equal to how much? 4 by 3 should come answer. See here they have not given any what one say limits. Limits you have to find by solving these two equations. Okay, whether x value or y value. And whether you take, see like this, whether you take integral y dx or whether you take integral x dy, according to situation you have to decide. That is one more thing. Another thing, if two curves are there, say f of x1, f of x2 are there, or else I will say f of x and g of x are there. How you are going to decide f of x minus g of x, integral dx or integral g of x minus f of x dx? That means what I want to say, which one has to be subtracted from other. This is also very important. Why? Because the area between this region means you have to subtract. Na? Thing is, normally, if only two functions separate are there, anything you can do, but final answer should come positive. That means more or less you can apply. That is one thing. Another thing, which is bigger by applying these limits, so you can know, then bigger you keep first, then smaller you keep next, and subtract accordingly. Why? Because if you apply modulus, that process if you follow, it may not work at all questions. Some functions may increase sometimes. At the time you will face some problem. Okay? That is why carefully observe this question. A little bit slowly I will do. You will get experience. So how you are going to take these limits and all, and how to submit or what we can say, subtract from one function to another function. Why? Because between these two curves means one curve should be subtracted from another curve while integration. That only is going to give your solution. See what I want to say here, x plus 2y square is equal to 0 and x plus 3y square is equal to 1 means if you solve these two you are going to get the values. You see how I want to write it. X plus 3y square is equal to 1, x plus 2y square is equal to 0. Minus if you keep x is going to get cancelled, 3y square minus 2y square, y square is equal to 1. That means y is equal to plus or minus 1. Okay, see, at y is equal to plus 1, x is equal to, see, plus 1 means 1 square means 1 only, x is equal to minus 2. Here also, plus 1 only, x is equal to 1 minus 3 minus 2. That means, see, even if you take minus 1 also, plus 1 also, x value is going to give same minus 2 only. Now what you are going to understand? Here you cannot take y dx, you have to take x dy. Understand? Here you have to take x dy. Integral x dy you have to take. Y values are from minus 1 to 1. This you have to do. Normally we take y dx, integral y dx. But here x dy you have to take. Why? Because the y values are there but x value is fixed. That is one thing. Another thing. Which function is bigger? Well, because you have to subtract, na? This is f of x, this is g of x. F of x minus g of x or g of x minus f of x. How you are going to decide? Okay, see what I want to say. Implies I am taking. See, at x is equal to 0. Why? Because at x is equal to minus 2 also we can do. I think. No, x is equal to minus 2. I will do x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 automatically. Y value is how? Y value in first function 0. Okay, but for second function, if it is 0, then automatically 3y square is equal to 1, y square is equal to 1 by 3, y is equal to 1 by root 3. Say this is for f of x, this is for g of x. Now which is bigger? This is bigger. Then you subtract from this function to this function. Understand? See how I am doing and what I want to say. I want to say like this. You see, integral minus 1 to 1. This function means x you have to write 1 minus 3y square. Okay? X dy we are doing. Why? Because these are values for this only. X is equal to 1 minus 3y square. 1 minus 3y square minus this function x is equal to minus 2y square dx. Understand? These are x, sorry, dy. With y we are doing. Okay. Now see, minus of minus going to become plus 3 minus 3y square plus 2y square. 1y square, that is equal to minus 1 to 1 minus y square dy, that is equal to 1 means y will come, minus y cube by 3 will come, but this is from minus 1 to 1 will come. Okay? Write down, that is equal to upper limit 1 minus 1 by 3 minus lower limit minus 1 minus minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Okay? Alright, that means you see minus of minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 2 minus 2 by 3. Okay, 3 LCM minus 1 minus 2. 6 minus 4. 6 minus 2, 4 by 3. 6 minus 2, 4 by 3. 4 by 3 will be your answer. Okay? See, this practice you remember. Okay? Let us go for next question.